Yep. Shite.
Gunfight. Eliminate all enemies or capture the overtime flag to win. Head in, stay frosty.
You down?
Guy left. No. Where's he at?
He was left side, up here in this room.
Yep, he is. Behind the car.
They're hurting.
Nice.
Boom!
Ooh. Up top, left side.
Got him.
You got the one up top? Down below you, got him? I was coming in behind.
Nice, I killed that one guy with the Molotov in that room. He smacked the wall! Did you see that?
That's definitely getting posted. Where are they at? Oh crap! I got that. I'm down. They were both on that side where I was. Ooh.
One round gone. We're not dead yet, are we, lads?
No, let's not push the buttons on my computer.
Oh no.
God, I hate
All right.
snipers.
One down.
Oh shit. Do you see him?
Two down.
Nice.
Let's send them home.
I can snipe in this game, surprisingly.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, AK-47.
One down. Going to flank.
Where's he at?
I think he's back there.
Nope.
10 seconds. Two wins.
He was up there.
Nice, you got him with a headshot.
Take it back, I'm down. One is in the building left side, one is behind the crate right side.
Wow, he managed to kill me through the stun grenade.
Oh crap. Nice.
Let's do this.
That was actually a pretty good kill. Oh, come on. Why we gotta use why handguns? One's up top right side, one's still on the bottom left side.
Oh, one's top right side at the very back.
Oh, no, they're both there. Get him.
10 seconds.
Almost got him. He was in the building. Please get him.
Oh my gosh! You told me he was in the building! He was definitely not in the building.
When it last showed me him, he was in the building.
You gotta read their minds and know where they're at, damn it.
It doesn't work that way. Oh, what the hell? I got stuck.
You're the last man standing.
God, dude, I suck with
Take a breath.
pistols,
Go
too.
back in.
Yeah.
Snipers and pistols, I'm terrible at.
Snipers, I'm actually decent at. At least in this game.
Triggers pulled. Let's go.
Oh,
What
okay.
the heck is... What is this?
One down. Two down.
Wow. Took you like 2 seconds. Wow.
Dude, that was awesome. Oh, boy.
Match point. We're up. Let's take
All right,
it.
well, I know you can kill him this time again.
One down.
2 down.
Nice.
You scored a victory, mate. Let's have another.
That is a crazy gun.
What gun was that?
I have no idea.
What the hell? It said it kicked me for inactivity.
Seriously?
That's weird.